My ending, my dearest friend of 43 years, my life partner of 33 years, your unwavering love, patience, prayers, and encouragement has been the bedrock of my life and career. We traversed the community I care together. Through every quest and conquest, you have stood beside me with quiet strength and unwavering belief. You are a rare breed, a quality man who shares no equality, a great supporter of the girl child, in truth and in spirit. This milestone is not mine alone, this is ours. I honor and celebrate you today with the deepest gratitude and love. I want to thank every one of you for listening, and God bless you all.